The key to passing your driving test lies in road signs. Learn these 40 must-know signs and acing the test will become much easier. Let's go. Guess this traffic sign. A. No stopping. B. No waiting. Nicely done. This is the no waiting sign. Identify this road sign. A. Pedestrians ahead. B. Zebra crossing. Well done. That is the zebra crossing sign. What is this traffic sign? A. No U-turns. B. No turns. Correct. This is the no U-turns sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. B. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Exactly. This sign indicates a maximum speed 30 miles per hour sign. Guess this road sign. A. No waiting. B. No stopping. Well spotted. This is the no stopping sign. This traffic sign is A. Roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. Good observation. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming roundabout. What is this road sign? A. No right turn. B. No left turn. Nicely done. This sign prohibits drivers making left turns in the area. Guess this traffic sign. A. Give way to traffic. B. Give way to oncoming traffic. Excellent. This is the give way to traffic sign. Name this road sign. A. Parking place. B. Controlled parking zone. Correct. This sign designates a parking place. Identify this road sign. A. No right turn. B. No U-turns. Well spotted. This sign prohibits drivers making right turns in the area. This road sign is A. Junction on a bend. B. Staggered junction. Good catch. This is the staggered junction sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No motor vehicles except solo motorcycles. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. Nicely done. This is the no motor vehicles except solo motorcycles sign. This road sign is A. Stop. Children crossing ahead. B. Children going to school. Exactly. This sign alerts drivers to a school zone in the area. What is this traffic sign? A. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. B. End of 20 miles per hour zone. Well spotted. This is the end of 20 miles per hour zone sign. Identify this road sign. A. Vehicular traffic must turn left. B. Route to the left. Correct. This is the vehicular traffic must turn left. Guess this road sign. A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Nice choice. This sign prohibits solo motorcycles in on this road. This traffic sign is A. Height restriction. B. Low arch bridge ahead. Nicely done. This sign indicates the legal height limit for vehicles. Identify this traffic sign. A. Dip sign. B. Uneven road. Exactly. That is the uneven road sign. What is this road sign? A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. Correct. This is the accompanied horses sign. Guess this road sign. A. Low-flying aircraft. B. Low-flying helicopters. Well spotted. This is the low-flying helicopters sign. This road sign is A. Series of bends ahead. B. Double bend, first to the left. Nicely done. This is the double bend, first to the left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Soft verges. B. Riverbank or quayside. Correct. That is the soft verges sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Turn left ahead. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Well done. This sign tells drivers to turn left ahead. This road sign is A. End of 20 miles per hour zone. B. End of 30 miles per hour speed limit. Exactly. This sign indicates the end of 30 miles per hour speed limit. What is this traffic sign? A. Steep ascent. B. Steep descent. Nicely done. This is the steep ascent sign. Guess this road sign. A. Risk of grounding ahead. B. Towed caravans prohibited. Correct. This sign warns drivers to the risk of grounding ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Part-time traffic signals ahead. Well spotted. This is the part-time traffic signals ahead sign. This road sign is A. Horse-drawn vehicles. B. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. Excellent. That is the horse-drawn vehicle sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Buses prohibited. B. Buses and coaches prohibited. Nicely done. This sign prohibits buses and coaches on this road. Identify this traffic sign. A. Swing bridge. B. Hump bridge. Well spotted. That is the swing bridge sign. What is this road sign? A. Route to the left. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Correct. This is the route to the left sign. Guess this road sign. A. Clearance warning sign. B. Low arch bridge ahead. Nicely done. This is the clearance warning sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Goods vehicles prohibited. B. Lorries prohibited. Exactly. This is the lorries prohibited sign. This traffic sign is A. Road narrows on both sides. B. End of dual carriageway. Good observation. This sign indicates the end of a dual carriageway. Name this traffic sign. A. An electrified third rail ahead. B. Overhead electrical wires. Correct. This sign warns drivers to an electrified third rail ahead. What is this road sign? A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Nicely done. This is the wigwag signal sign. Guess this road sign. A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Level crossing without gate ahead. Exactly. This is the level crossing without gate ahead sign. This traffic sign is A. Target for crossing gate. B. Crossbuck. Well spotted. That is the target for crossing gate sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Height restriction. B. No vehicle over indicated length. Correct. This sign prohibits vehicles over indicated length. Guess this road sign. A. Towed caravans prohibited. B. Risk of grounding ahead. Nicely done. This sign prohibits towed caravans on this road. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and enable notifications for more road sign lessons and driving test guidance. Keep the momentum going with the videos on your screen. See you in the next one.